Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and on this volume of Ask Aaron, we have this question: how do I get creative with my exits and entrances? Okay, so I have like 3 pieces of advice for you. Number 1 is look for your influencers. Number 2, alright, look for your opposites. Number 3, look at your peers. So influencers are people you look up to, like, when you break, who do you want to be like, and you need to write down a list of people who you want to break like. Look at the videos. I'm not saying buy, alright, get some form of inspiration from them, alright. They have a certain move that you like, try it out, flip it, most importantly, make it yours, okay, do not buy. Number 2, alright, look at opposites. Look at the people that you don't want to break like, but are still good, okay. So look at them. There must be some form of transition that will make you think, why didn't I think that before? Because obviously the breaking style is different, right? There may be something in there that's suitable for you, that you might actually be thinking like, wow, that's actually good, I might be able to find something to do from here. Number 3, look at your peers. So what we like to do at practice, usually is we like to bite each other. I'm sure, like, all over the world, you like to bite your friends like to bite you, right? But apart from that, you might actually generate some ideas, bouncing things off like one another. So try to bite each other, and like learn each other's moveset to the point in time where you're like, hey, I can actually incorporate this, make something new, and add it into my current arsenal or transit out of it. You never know, right? So just by using these 3 pieces of advice, looking at people that you break like, looking at people that is totally opposite from you, and looking at peers, you will get tons of ideas. Alright, so just go and try it out.